Here's a quick video on replacing the oil pressure sensor on a 2008 Cadillac CTS. This is the base model V6. At this point, we have most of the components out of the way. We removed the air box. It's held in place by 3 bolts. Use a T25 socket to remove. Then we remove the intake tube. And I decided to move this power steering reservoir out of the way. It's held in place by 2 bolts. Use a 10mm for the left side. And on the right side, there's a big bolt. Use a 18mm and 18mm. Make sure the wiring harness for these components is up over this bracket like this. Hold it in place with a bungee cord. That way it doesn't interfere over there with the oil pressure sensor. The power steering lines, they're not going to be in the way because the magic tool is the Lisle 13200 oil pressure sensor removal tool. The socket, it's a small socket. Use it with a 12-inch extension and come from down here. I didn't need to use a wobble socket. And we can turn it. Power steering lines are not in the way. Then you can finish removing it by threading it out by hand. Easy as that, you guys. Threading the new oil pressure switch by hand and finish tightening it with the Lisle tool and a wobble extension. Torque specification is 15 pound-feet. Now that wasn't too bad, right? See ya.